Today we're making a quick no-bake cheesecake with blueberries and jelly. You can whip it up in just a few minutes, making it perfect for hot days. You'll find the exact measurements for all ingredients in the video description below. As always, I invite new viewers to hit that subscribe button on my channel. In a bowl, combine 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, a kilogram of cottage cheese, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Briefly mix everything until the ingredients are well combined. Next, we'll combine and pour in 2 crystal clear jellies that I've dissolved in a glass. Add the jelly when it's cooled down but still liquid. Make sure it's not warm to avoid curdling the cheese mixture. If you can't find crystal clear jelly, lemon flavored works fine. Actually, you can use any flavor, but keep in mind that colored jellies will change the color of the cheesecake. Give it a quick mix, and our cheese mixture is ready. I've lined a 26 by 26 centimeters baking tray with parchment paper and laid out some biscuits. I used long ones, but round ones work too. I soaked them in milk, but you could also use tea or lemon-infused water. Now, spread our cheese mixture evenly over the biscuits and pop it in the fridge for about half an hour. While that's chilling, we can prepare 2 more jellies. I'm using blueberry flavor with 400 g of frozen blueberries. When the jelly starts to set, pour it over the cheese layer, and there you have it. Your cheesecake is ready to serve. I recommend cutting it the next day for best results. Give this recipe a try and enjoy your delicious cheesecake.